Hey Buffs, coming to you from the GCHS Counseling Office. It's that time of year again for us to update our Xello accounts and get all of the latest information on your different skills, styles, careers, everything that we use to help plan for the rest of your high school experience and your post-high school journey, whether that's to get enrolled in a college, university, a tech school, to get employed, or to enlist. So we're excited to have you back here and we're ready to get these updated. The first thing that we have is that we will need you to log into your Xello accounts. And this is the initial screen that happens when you log on to Xello. You can get to Xello by either going to the district website off of the student tab to Xello, or there are some cheat sheets that are here that can help you with the top part showing you how to log on to Xello. That we have the XelloWorld.com website, and it has the same credentials that we've used previously. Your username, it's really important to remember that there's a dash involved. So GCHS 457 Skyward username, there's that dash there. And that you use your password that's related to your birth date. I believe that's what you're using with your Skyward accounts anyways. So that's the year, month, day. Please note though, if you start to have any struggles with that password, just talk to your teacher or your counselor. There is a way we could help you get it reset and back into that format for future use. So we want to get logged into Xello, and once there, you're going to see your name and your grade. Right now I'm in as a demo for the seniors, but this is like our initial screen, and this is where we're going to get everything updated that we need to use for the rest of the year's plans. So the first thing that's really important to do is to make sure that the About Me section is all the way updated and complete. So right here, when you look in my demo, you can see that I have still 2 areas locked. That's because I still need to finish the matchmaker, okay? I only have 6 out of 39 done. So once I get those 39 done, everything else will start to unlock, and I need to make sure the About Me section is up to date before we tackle the 4 important areas that we need to for January. The 4 important areas I have here broken down in these cheat sheets. Everybody, regardless of grade, has 4 areas to accomplish, 3 lessons, and 1 assignment. So like you can see here with the freshmen and sophomores, one group has learning styles, one group has personality, both have skills lab. Then we differentiate between exploring careers, workplace, and then the assignments. You'll see here with our juniors and seniors that it's the same thing, that it's broken down based on their grade level. So these are the 4 activities that we need to complete. So again, once you have everything completed in the About Me, there will be check marks that pop up when things are done. There'll be green check marks here. You're ready to progress to the 3 lessons. Right here, there'll be one of personality or learning styles. Skills summary, right here with that skills lab. You'll have a lesson here. It varies by your grade, and then you'll have 1 assignment here. So again, we have our checklist. We go back to the website. We make sure we use the right credentials. We have 4 different areas to complete depending on your grade, but everybody has 4. And so then once we get up here, About Me is complete, and then we get our 4 areas done. The 3 here on the lessons, and then on our assignments. If you have any questions or concerns, please talk with your teacher, and also never hesitate to reach out to your counselors. We're here to help you, and we are needing this done before we get started with February. So let's go, Buffs. We got this. You can do it. Let us know if you need any help.